Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate LinkedIn with Passkeys on iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, unlock your iPhone and open the LinkedIn app. If you haven't already, log into your LinkedIn account with your username and password. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping on your photo in the top left corner. Now, tap on the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the security option and select it. Within the security menu, look for the two-step verification section. Tap on two-step verification to open the settings. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security verification. Once verified, look for the Add Passkey option and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate a new passkey. You will be guided to create a secure passkey that utilizes Apple's Face ID or Touch ID. Proceed by scanning your face or fingerprint as prompted. After setting up the passkey, return to the two-step verification screen. You should see the passkey listed among your security options. Make sure to enable two-step verification if it's not already activated. Finally, log out and log back into your LinkedIn account to test your new passkey. Your LinkedIn account is now authenticated with your passkey on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.